Take 115 grams of butter. Add 200 grams of dark compound chocolate. Melt the chocolate and butter together. Mix the chocolate until it's smooth. Keep it aside. In a separate bowl, gently break 3 eggs. Add 200 grams white sugar. Add 100 grams of soft and firmly packed brown sugar. Combine all the ingredients using an electric hand mixer. The mixture will become lighter in color and texture. Ensure the complete dissolution of the sugar. At this stage, incorporate the melted chocolate into the egg mixture and mix well. I use the electric hand mixer to make sure everything is mixed well. Add 1 cup of vanilla essence. Sift together 60 grams of flour and 30 grams of cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Thoroughly combine all ingredients. You may use an electric hand mixer or a wire whisk, whichever you prefer. The batter should have a thick, spreadable consistency. Pour the batter into a prepared 8 by 8 inch square baking pan. Reserve a portion of the brownie batter for later use. Smooth out the brownie batter. You can use an offset spatula for this process. Let's make the easy cheesecake batter. Take 500 grams of cream cheese. It should be at room temperature. Add 2 eggs. Add 110 grams of castor sugar. Add 1 cup vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients well with an electric mixer until it's smooth and creamy. Time for the fusion. Gently place spoons of the cheesecake mixture over the brownie batter. You can use an offset spatula to smooth out the cheesecake. Dilute the thickness of the reserved brownie batter by adding a little warm water to it. The batter should have a thick but runny consistency similar to the cheesecake mixture. Drop spoonful of brownie batter blobs all over the cheesecake. Use a toothpick to make a marble pattern with the brownie and cheesecake. Bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. The baking time may vary depending on the size of the pan you use and your oven's heat. After about 40 minutes, you can check if the brownie is done. If it's still a bit wobbly, that's okay, that's how cheesecakes are. But just to be sure, stick a toothpick all the way to the bottom to check if the brownie layer is cooked. If the toothpick comes out with brownie batter on it, then bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Refrigerate the cheesecake brownie for a minimum of 2 hours prior to slicing and serving. This is what it looks like if heaven and earth were combined into a dessert. Thank you for watching. Please try out this delicious dessert and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes.